Good morning! Wow, yung mukha ko. Bakit medyo malakang mukha ko? I will brush my hair kasi naligo ako. And isi-straight ko siya mamaya. Mabilis lang naman siya mag-dry. So, okay lang. I'm wearing this top na I got from Temp. And then this pants na very long. Tapos medyo flowy. And I'm just gonna wear my usual black flats. Yung pointed. And, punta ako ng city today. I'm not sure kung pupunta yung mga girls. Sabi nila, pupunta daw sila. So, we'll see. I will make smoothie. And then my coffee. And then, may makeup ako. Yung lashes ko, guys, still going strong. Pero ano siya, kailan ko siya i-comb kasi nabasa siya kanina, of course. I took a shower. And then yung nails ko, look at my nails. I like it. Salamat nga pala sa nagsabi na unahin ko daw yung mga magagaan. Yung, like, you know, ito, spinach. Kasi every time na nagsismoothie ako, naalala ko yung comment na yun. Lagi ko inuuna na yung spinach. Makes sense din naman para, you know, ma-blend siya doon. Kasi last time, yung isang spinach na na iwan sa taas. Yung baon ko today is tuna. Tsaka rice. Nagluto sila ng rice for me last night. He's so good, that one. He's so good. Sabi niya, anong babaunin mo bukas? Kasi mas prefer ko talaga nagbabaon kaysa bumili doon. Kasi 30 minutes lang yung lunch break. One time, bumili ako ng sushi doon. And binili ko siya during break. Kasi meron kaming 15 minutes break in the morning. Tapos 15 minutes break in the afternoon. So that makes it, you know, 1 hour in total. Wala, hindi ko na-enjoy yung 15 minutes break ko. Kasi bumili ako ng sushi. Pero it happened only once naman. Malamig na, guys. Fall na kasi. Nag-start yung fall April 1. Parang magpapalit ako ng pants. Kasi, malamig. And ito, napaka-flowy. Oops. Oh. Hala ko, it's not working, babe. I thought it was not working. But then I plugged the wrong one. Rice cooker yung plinag. Babe, where are you? Your smoothie is ready. Your smoothie is ready. I put it in a glass.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome, babe. It's alright.
Thank you.
Love you. Nagpalit na naman ako, guys. So, nagpants lang ako. Kasi, sobrang lamig and I will be wearing this as well. Mamaya. I will put some makeup on. Mabilis lang to kasi wala nang mascara. Kailangan ko i-brush yung aking lashes. Maganda siya, guys. Natural looking lang siya. I-leave ko yung link below kasi I can recommend it. Maganda siya. Very natural looking. Tapos yung mama din na nagustuhan niya. Siguro nadaganan ko to kanina or kagabi nung naligo. Natulog ako. Wait, ayusin ko yan mamaya. Anyway, I will just put some makeup on. See? Malaki talaga yung difference ng eyelashes. Hindi ka lang siya ganun ka-convenient sa akin. Kasi diba, I wash my face every day. Twice a day kapag meron akong makeup. Kasi I need to remove my makeup at night. Hindi siya ganun ka-convenient kapag it's time to wash your face. Kasi nung una, kailangan kong i-avoid talaga yung lashes na area. Kasi ayoko siyang mabasa. Tapos, later on, sabi ko, okay lang naman mabasa. Kasi yun yung sabi sa akin ng naglagay ng falsies. Sabi niya, it's okay na mabasa siya. As long as hindi yung oil-based na makeup remover na matouch sa kanya. So, water okay lang. Kaya lang kapag nabasa siya, parang nagiging okay lang naman siya. I was gonna say parang out of place siya. Pero I don't think dahil yun sa nabasa ko siya. Kasi once nabasa siya, tapos i-brush mo siya, magiging okay na siya. Yung nadadaganan ko lang siya minsan kaya na out of place yung ibang lashes kasi she applied it one at a time talaga, like pa isa-isa at a time yung ginawa niya. Kasi nakita ko siya, kasi nung dumating ako doon, meron siyang previous customer. So, nakita ko kung paano niya ginawa doon sa babae. And, yeah, it's good. She's good. She's good. Magpa-foundation pala ako today. Kasi I'm going out with the girls. Gamit ko, guys, yung Estee Lauder na double wear, yung light. Double wear light. Yung shade ko is number 3, I believe. Yep. Number 3. Ito yung binigay sa akin na sample ng babae. Yung aking beauty blender na sana. Are you okay, babe?
Yes, coffee, babe.
I have coffee here. You want some?
No, don't worry about it.
You can have some. Are you ready? You're ready na.
We got plenty of time though.
Yeah, we do. Tapos na yung aking mock-up. Prepare na ako ng aking baon. Century 2 na yung baon ko today, guys. Maganda doon kasi merong vacuum. Sana yung sasabihin ko. Microwave. Babe! Can you help me, please? Ah, never mind. I got it. I need to get more of this, guys. Kasi ito na lang yung natira. Isang tuna na lang. First time ko magbaon ng tuna. So, tingnan natin kung ano kalalabasan itong aking tuna. Amoy tuna na ako! Nice and sunny, but it's cold. I like it. Morning, babe!
Good morning.
Na ano yung ano niya? Natapon yung coffee niya kanina. Where's the coffee?
I get the lid off. You screwed it. You pressed it up. I don't have any coffee today.
Aw, sorry.
I know.
I didn't put the lid on tight. I thought it was tight, but I was doing it wrong. And then it spilled sa ano niya, sa shirt niya. So he had to change. Poor babe. Wala pa akong lipstick. Mamaya na ako magli-lipstick. Yung, sana meron akong lipstick sa ano ko, bag ko. Kasi ibang bag na naman yung ginamit ko. Sa Friday kasi, yung bag na gagamitin. Sa Friday kasi yung ginagamit ko na bag is yung backpack. Tapos, kapag Monday to Thursday, itong Kardashian collection na bag. Kasi, ano siya, iba yung dress code. Anyway, we're heading there. It's a really good day today. So, with the daylight savings, babe, what happened? Did we...
We gained an hour.
We gained an hour.
Our clocks had to go back 1 hour. So instead of being, it should be really 9 o'clock now.
Okay, I get it now.
Turn it back an hour on Sunday now. It's only 8 o'clock.
Yeah. That's why it's so bright now, guys. Because usually when we go out around this time, it's still a bit, you know, cloudy. Sun is not out yet. But today the sun is out because we gain an hour. I don't really know. Basta daylight savings, hindi ako marunong mag-explain. It's 8:21 and the traffic. It's alright. It's not alright.
That's alright.
Yeah. Ooh, the building looks really nice. Nice view. The buses. Good morning, bus. Good morning, long bus.
Hurry up, cyclists.
Go, buddy, you can do it. Go. Cycle. We are how many minutes away? 5 minutes? Oh, we're almost there.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That's okay.
That's okay. Monday again. Hello! Andito ako, kasama ko si Mia, si Ann, si Kathy. Parang ano, at saka si Lara. Ang babaeng walang pahinga.
May bago na siya.
Bakit? May ano ba siya kanina? Lagi kasi siyang wala dito. Lagi siya nagta-travel. Ba yan? Ang init naman. Ano to? Sino bumili? Ikaw?
Kanya-kanya kami. Tapos tikim-tikim. Gusto mo straw?
Hindi, busog ako eh. O sige, bongga. Meron silang ube, wala silang spoon, kaya straw yung gamit nila.
Correct.
Mainit kasi pag nandito yung sun, pero malamig. Ano nangyari?
Ikukwento mo ulit yung NMK mo.
Meron kang ano, story time? Pinahiram ako ni Kat nito. Kaya lang wala akong ilong. Tingnan nyo naman.
Meron akong story time.
Ano story time?
Story time ni ano, ni Lyra.
Story time. Diyan nga ako.
Magiging ganda.
Salamat.
No, just moving the chairs. It's just two.
Do you want someone to just take a photo of it?
No, we're good. Thank you.
It's a webcam.
It's camera.
It's a camera.
What does it do? I don't get it.
Para siyang ano.
It's filming. It's filming you right now.
Oh my god!
Say hi.
Is this YouTube?
It is,
Yeah.
actually.
How many people are in there watching this?
100,000.
Shit! Don't need Sarah anymore.
Kati! Yung mga magaganda, oh. Si Madam, oh, may bagong Madam na tayo.
Dalawa rin mo daw.
Meron tayong bagong Madam, si Mia. Dami na nating Madam. Punta kami ng CR. Toilet. Naiihi si Buntit. Dami mo mong regalo dyan ah.
Oo nga, ito kay Mia nung ano pa ito ng birthday daw. Galing kay Lyra.
Oh, di ba? Si Madam. Generous. Ganda ng mga lunchbox, oh.
There's no carbs in pizza.
Yeah. Parang sino niloko mo? Dito kami sa Taipo. Merong tinitingnan si Kat. Nahanap mo na? Tsaka. Hanap siya ng cord. Wala pa. Tingnan nyo to. Ang mahal na nito. Magkano to? Diyos ko Lord, $20. Pwede ko yung i-DIY. Try i-DIY. Hello. Ang cute. Parang
in today's face.
throw fairy dust in today's face. Oh, diba? Maganda yun, Day. Black. Kano? Oo nga, may pa velvet. $40. Not bad. Ganyan yung style niya. Uy, pang ano? Nandito kami sa... Anong pangalan dito? Lagi tayo nandito. Ito maganda. Diba? Ang ganda. Are you vlogging today, Anne?
She was.
Ang ganda, oh. Ganda ng color.
Ay, box ito tayo.
Uy, itry mo lang. Kasi it's meant to ano.
Sabi ni try me 6 yung size ba? Hindi lang color.
Try mo. Ganda ng lighting dito. No?
Ito yung mga may ilaw.
Oo nga eh. Hindi kami makahanap-hanap ng ganyang lighting. Aalis na sila at saka si ano ka, diba?
I'm going now.
Alis na sila.
Si Rhaz at saka si Anne.
Si Anne nagbibihis pa. Mag-try siya ng ano romper.
Andy,
Or ano, jumpsuit. Kami na lang dalawa. Tirahang, matibay. Yung mga... sasabihin ko sana, 4 na babae, 3 lang pala umalis na kanina. Sinundo na sila. Kami na lang dalawa ni Mia. Kailan ka last nag-upload?
Kanina?
Ay, nag-upload ka kanina? Hindi ko na nakikita yung mga video. Hindi ko na napapanood.
Kasi nga,
hintay na namin si Dan.
Hi. I'm still here.
Wala pa siya, hindi niya ako iniiwan. Oh, dito na!
Ayan na.
Ingat.
Ayan na. Bye.
Salamat.
See you again.
You need a lift?
No, fine. No.
Are you sure? Oh, come on, let's go!
No choice.
I'm sorry. Babe, can you... Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Maybe a bit of tap forward because Mia's legs
Oh,
are
no,
like
it's
that.
Yeah. I will, one sec.
Yeah, no, it's alright. Just
Careful.
yeah, I'm trying to be.
Look.
What are you doing?
Hi, babe.
Oh God.
How are you?
I'm good. How's your day?
Good.
Good.
Yeah.
Alright, let me.
I left my wallet at home.
Oh, what did you do for lunch? Oh yeah,
Yeah,
you're
I
alright.
have lunch,
Oh,
yeah.
you're alright.
Look at me.
Yeah.
Ooh, foggy.
Special effects.
Nag-chapsoy na naman kami kasi marami kaming natirang ano, na hindi pa namin nagalaw, yung cauliflower, cabbage, kasi binili siya nila nung nagpunta siya ng market, tas mura lang, so binili niya. Thank you for calling like a mukbang. Sabi nila they're experiencing high call volumes. Anyway, yun yung luto namin. Tapos bumili din kami ng chicken last time para nga gawin kong ano. Sobrang tagal na namin siyang plinano lulutuin. Tapos sobrang na-busy. So ngayon lang ulit kami nakaluto. Tapos na kami kumain. Ang ganda nito necklace na to, oh. Bigay sa akin ni Catherine. Thank you! And naubos na pala nila lahat ng chocolate na binigay mo. So salamat. Tapos mayroon pong binigay sa akin si Lyra na chocolate, yung Lin. Nandun sa ano. Pero nakita nandun kanina. Ubusin niyo yun. Are you running tonight, babe?
Probably not tonight.
That's alright.
Yeah, it's a bit late now.
Sorry?
I'm still looking for somewhere for
For what?
Wednesday.
Oh! You're still looking?
I did a work email then.
Okay, naghahanap siya ng restaurant na kakainan namin sa Wednesday night kasi in-invite namin yung mama niya at saka yung papa niya, stepdad niya, tsaka yung ano, yung auntie niya. We will have dinner somewhere. Grabe, sa that restaurant lang. You spent how many? I thought you were doing work emails.
I love this as well.
Oh, okay. Okay. Yung ano ko guys, yung foundation ko is yung Estee Lauder na ano. Ang ganda! Hanggang ngayon, hindi ako nag-retouch at all. And then, hindi ko din retouch yung aking lips. I wore the Estee Lauder na lip liner na bigay sa akin ni Kat. And yeah, super nice. I really like it. I did set it with the Urban Decay All-Nighter Spray. I really like that. Gustong-gusto ko yun. Mas gusto ko siya kaysa sa MAC Fix Plus. Parang ayoko tanggalin yung makeup ko kasi yung ganda-ganda tingnan. Hindi naman ako nag-eye makeup kasi hindi naman ako nag-eye makeup. Pero yung mukha ko, hindi talaga ako nag-retouch. I'm so surprised. Kasi diba sabi ko noon, last week ata yun, hindi ako nag-retouch at all. Tapos medyo chumatsaka na siya the end of the day. Kasi like, you know, humuhulas na yung mukha. Pero right now, it's looking good. Hala, uy, mali ata yung ano, ginamit ko. Ito yung gamit ko. Flat. Tapos lalagyan ko pa siya ng, ano, veggies. Mali, mali. Wow, mali. Ito yung ginamit ko kanina eh. Yan yung gagamitin ko. Lalagyan ko yan ng rice. Tapos lalagyan ko yan ng chop suey sa ibabaw. Usually, inaano ko siya, sineseparate ko siya. Pero okay lang naman. Masarap pa rin naman kahit na hindi. Siniseparate yung chop suey at saka ano. Mas masarap kasi luot sarap ang sabaw sa rice ko. Ano nga ulit yung Hala! Hala, babe! I forgot to put flour. That's why it's not that, oh well. Nakalimutan ko maglagay ng flour. Lunch is ready for tomorrow. Now it's time to clean the dishes. Kanina guys, naiwan ko yung wallet ko. Nakahiram ako ng pera sa ano ko. Kasama ko sa trabaho kasi gusto ko uminom ng Coke. Merong vending machine doon. And wala akong wallet sa ano ko, bag ko. Tsaka kanina din sa nung kasama ko yung mga girls. Hindi din ako nakabili ng bubble tea. Milk tea kasi wala akong pera. Ayoko namang manghiram na sa kanila kasi hindi ko alam kung kailan pa kami magkikita ulit. Anyway, I will close my vlog kasi I think I will sleep na guys. It's not even 9 yet. I don't have a video tonight kasi wala. Hindi kaya ng powers. I will edit this vlog tonight and then see if meron akong video bukas. If ma-edit ko siya, matapos ko siya ma-edit and then ma-upload siya, then I will have a video tomorrow. But yeah. Kung wala, edi wala. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please like this video if you enjoyed. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Do not forget to be good. Bye. Good night. Bye.